Well, this one actually does require more work. They still want you to write the standard form, right? AX plus BY equals C through the given points. So now you have these points here. But there's no equation, there's nothing. I could use an equation. I do have an equation that I could use called the point slope formula. And if I can find the means or the way to use this, then I would have an equation to put in AX plus BY equals C format. But all I have is 2 points. But all I need is 1 point. There's my x1 and my y1 and my slope. And if you recall, you do have a formula to find a slope if you have a line going from 2 points. And that formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is my x2 and my y2, because that comes from the second point. So right here you got 3 minus, and then this y1 happens to be negative 3. See that? So I'm actually substituting this guy right here. And I'm also substituting this guy right here. So what about that minus? Well, that minus is part of the formula. Okay? x2 is 0 minus x1 is negative 4. Again, the negative 4 is the x1. The 0 is the x2. And the minus is part of the formula. So this becomes 3 plus 3, because if you have double negatives, make sure that you make them positive. So that gives me 6 over 4. If I reduce that, I can actually reduce that by 2. See that? Then I get 3 halves. And that would be the slope that I use. So I can come back over here and I can say, okay, y minus negative 3, because I'm going to be substituting this guy over here. I should have kept the same color. Sorry about that. I'm substituting this guy over here. M is 3 halves. X1 is negative 4. So again, this x1 over here goes here. And this slope just goes here. Okay. So again, double negatives, make sure you put them positive. And now I can take care of business. I'm going to multiply these two right here using distributive property. So I end up with 3 halves x. And over here I end up with 12 over 2. Well, we know that 12 divided by 2 is a different color. That's 6. And I can easily bring this 3 across, right, to leave the y by itself. And I have my slope, my point slope formula, but the question says, give me the standard form. So, okay, now I got to do one more step. And it's down here, you got negative 3 halves x plus y plus 3. And then get rid of the negative by cambio mundo. Almost done. 3 halves x minus y equals negative 3. So now I'm going to multiply everything by my denominator, which is, in this case, it's 2. Because that's the only one. So that's my common denominator. Cancel the 2's, leaving you 3x, right? Or 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 times negative y gives you 2y. And 2 times negative 3 gives you negative 6. And now you're finished.